What else are you gonna do? Okay, don't sit on the camera. Angel, do some poses. What are you doing? Okay, this is your scene. I want you to pretend you won $1 million. Okay, next scene. I want you to pretend you're gonna get to see Britney Spears. Okay, no good. Okay, I want you to pretend you want a trip to Hollywood. Okay, I want you to pretend your doggy died. But look at the camera. Shadow died, yeah. Get back in your stage. I want you to pretend Uncle Ray died.